Oh.
Hey guys, it's Bmxjamie here, along with the cameraman.
James Gold.
And today we're going to be our first ever bike check with this mongoose right here, R90. And it's Voodoo BMX bike.
It's my bike.
And first, I think we should do it on my mongoose, yeah? Okay. So, what you need to check for. Basically, you need to check for how much tire pressure your wheel can take. You can easily check this by looking around the rim.
Here it's that here.
Yeah, around here. This goes up to 60.
60 PSI.
60 and mine's got 59. So it's okay. Camera.
Sorry.
Okay, and crank arms. Sometimes you need spacers, sometimes you don't. I don't have any spacers on mine, but you probably will need tires. Park tires. I've got park tires at the back, which I need to. They're worn out. I need to get new ones. Very worn out. Pedals are GT pedals. They're practically race pedals.